Why, hello there.
Hi.
So, how you doing today?
It's really hard.
Good. Good? You guys aren't really interesting to interview.
You're not asking it.
Well, what am I supposed to ask? Well, okay, well, how was your day? Wait, did I already ask that?
I think you did.
Did I already ask that?
You were in school.
You were in school? Okay.
Skipped.
Oh, you skipped. On the whoa.
I'm reading a romance novel.
Tell me about your romance novel.
Well, right now I'm reading Beyond Tomorrow, and Carly, the main girl's Carly, which is
Main girl's
ironic,
Carly.
and she's a realtor.
Ooh. Do you like sales?
I love sales.
She loves sales. She loves him.
It's about her.
It's about her.
And the main guy, which is Adam.
Ooh. Who's your boyfriend's name?
Adam.
Where your boyfriend at?
Oh, he's
Getting you Mike and Ike's?
In the Bar Harbor.
Oh, he's in Bar Harbor.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm Kendall.
Hello, Kendall. Nice to meet you.
This is about me.
Do you know what I did today?
No.
I went to physics, and then I went to orchestra, then I went to
I skipped physics yesterday.
yeah, kill me. I play violin.
Oh God, I would.
Oh my God, so do I. Weren't we stand partners today?
You still play?
Yeah, I'm in the orchestra. I know. God, right?
Look at Anne rocking that back.
She's rocking. She's rocking.
Yeah.
So life has been pretty good. I can't complain.
You can't complain.
Well, I can.
Someone seriously fart. How can you smell if someone farted outdoors?
It smells terrible right now. That's disgusting. It was definitely Kat. It was not me.
Cat farted.
Yeah, what the
We don't have Hannah to blame at this point.
It does smell weird.
It was Brett.
It's Brett! You farted.
Stupid.
It's that guy.
Oh.
I guess.
Do you think he's still gonna watch this video if like
Get the crap out of my face.
Okay, bye.
Bye.